What are we building? A wall? A door? Or a clean room? We are building spaces engineered for excellence, where breakthrough chips are created, free from interference, where every spark of life is protected, free from contamination. From food safety to humanity's next frontier, we are building the foundation of advanced manufacturing, creating physical spaces, shaping invisible standards. From integrated product systems to application-driven solutions, from intelligent manufacturing to industry-leading functional space solutions, every project delivered, every promise fulfilled, every partnership strengthened. Driven by innovation, we create new possibilities, guiding life towards a brighter future. This is our commitment, empowering advanced manufacturing with innovative, leading and reliable, functional space solutions.